Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Stone. I am going to walk you through the steps on how to create an account in Hero in this video. So Hero is a website and app that Northern Cass is using this year to track positive and negative learner behaviors. It's an app that allows parents access to those. So what is happening at school, parents can also be seeing at home. And that is really the reasoning that we got this, is we just wanted to open the lines of communication and allow for purposeful dialogue to be happening at home related to both positive and negative behavior. So you will see on the screen here are the steps to create an account. If you'd like to take a screenshot or a picture of it, you certainly can. I'm also going to walk you through the steps one by one. So to create a Hero account, you need to go to the website access.heropowered.com. We do recommend that you use the Chrome browser if possible. It just seems to work best in that browser. You then will select the parent option in the middle. And then you'll choose the create an account. Here is where you will put in your information. You'll enter your email and a password. And then select Create User. Once you've created your account, you'll get this congratulations that pops up. You can just close that. This plus symbol right here is what you'll click to add one of your children. And then you're going to select, no, I do not have a secure key. You will need to enter your children's IDs. These were sent home in letters a few weeks ago in your learners' backpacks. If you did not receive one or do not know your learner's ID, I'm assuming you would not, you can reach out to Mr. Clapp or myself, so Tom Clapp at northerncasschool.com or Jessica Stone, and we can certainly get those IDs to you. So here you'll enter your learner's ID, and you'll also need to enter their date of birth, and it must be in the format that it's asking, or you'll get an error message, and then your child's last name. You'll see there then my child shows up here. And then you can see behavior that's been tracked for that child on the main screen here. So that child has 12 points. They've been tracked 7 times. Up here it just is a brief summary. 4 have been positive, 2 were negative, and 1 was neutral. To add another child, I am going to log out. And I'm going to go back to the access.heropowered.com. Click on the parent. Add my email address and password that I used to create the account. When you log back in, you will see an option to add another student. So you would click on that, and you're just going to do the exact same thing. No, I don't have a key. Enter the ID, the date of birth, and their last name, and click Add. For each child you add, you'll have to log back out and log back in, but then you will be able to have all of your children on your home screen here. We will be creating another video on what you can access in Hero. So what do all these things mean when you check in on your child? We'll get into detail of the different things that will be tracked. So if you have any questions or concerns or any issues that come up as you're trying to create an account, please be certain to reach out to Mr. Clapp or myself.